look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ downtown Minneapolis. See how that just looks so forced right there? I was like, rah. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at some times weird. Oh, yeah. Today's episode is, what is your favorite instrument? Do you have a favorite instrument? Well, I should say, what is your favorite instrument to play? Ooh, let's go with that. Let's mix it up a little bit. What is your favorite instrument to play? Do you play an instrument? I mean, you could play spoons, you could play the triangle, you could play the washboard. There's so many different really fun instruments to play. You've got the spaghetti pot, the popcorn pot. Oh my gosh, the list just goes on and on and on from there. For me, growing up, our mother insisted we learn how to play an instrument. She wanted us to be well-rounded. Little did I know that in the future, when I moved to Minneapolis, I would become well-rounded. Anyways, when I was younger, I played guitar, bass, piano, and eventually discovered Duran Duran and Roger Taylor and began to play the drums. And in my life, and in my musical career, became a professional drummer. Used to write for the piano, write for vocals, and all kinds of music scores, but when it came to the instrument, my favorite instrument was the drums, hands down, always. Oh, airplane, squirrel. There's an airplane overhead. Do you hear it? If not, my microphone's doing a great job. Good job, Rode. So, what about you guys? Do you guys have a favorite instrument? Do you play an instrument? Do you what do you do? Share totally downstairs in the skinny jeans zone. It's not the kilt zone, it's the skinny jeans zone today. Dun, dun, dun. And let's wrap it up. Yeah. Nah, that just doesn't work. And let's wrap it up. And go. And that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ downtown Minneapolis for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. If you're a subscriber, congratulations, you are in the agile mind of David Esquire. If you're not a subscriber, boo! Subscribe, hit the bell, ding dong, notifications. And then of course, if you are subscribing and you're a new subscriber and you're an old subscriber and you're a veteran subscriber, or you're just watching the video, like, comment, and share. Always a good thing. I feel so dorky saying that, but in today's day and age, I have to do a call to action. That was a call to action. And let's wrap it up. Oh, he's already said that. Let's finish it up. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, remember to do one thing properly until next time. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? Because I do. Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.